Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I used 14 inches bundle 2 and the 12 inches closure to achieve this unit. I actually made it, I wanted it to look as natural as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for subscribing. Stay tuned. Let me know what you think after you watch the video. Put your comments, make sure you share, like, comment, and I'll see you guys later. The two bundles of 14 inches and a frontal, 12 inches frontal is what we're seeing right now. I will go ahead to bleach the knot by using the peroxide. I'm using 40% developer. This is the powder, the bleach powder. So we'll just put a little bit in the. You have to get your plates, your knife. You use I normally use like three spoons. Just randomly put the peroxide, and you mix. The mixture is very important. You have to mix it very well. Don't worry about putting a little bit of the peroxide, because as soon as you turn it, it will give you that consistency that you want. And just go ahead and start placing it like butter on the frontal. Try not to press it too hard. You might think that you're not putting anything, but trust me, if you press it too hard, it's gonna go right through the lace, and that's not what we want, because then it's gonna just bleach the hair itself. We only want to bleach the knot. Remember, I've finished bleaching the knot, so I've washed it. Now what we are seeing now is actually I need to tint the lace, so I've boiled the water. I've put the 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 product to tint, which obviously you saw on the screen, and I've bleached it, I've tinted it, and now we're just trying to pluck the frontal, because you don't want it looking the way you bought it from the factory or wherever. So we need to make sure it's looking natural, and that's why we are plucking it. So literally I like to remove a little bit from the front, then go ahead like backward to pluck, because if you start right from the front, it's gonna just be too bold. So I normally like to start from the inside. Then it's just actually using your discretion. The more you pluck, the more you check what you're doing. We're done plucking the frontal, and now it's time for us to actually make the wig itself. I'm just using this dome cap, putting on the mannequin head, and we're starting to sew. You sew one side, you go to the other side, you sew till you get to the meeting point in the middle. So we're starting to sew the first bundle. Actually make sure it's single, because you remember we're using just 2 bundles, so I'm not doubling the weft. I'm just making it single. I start sewing from the front, just to make sure when you're done you have like a very good balance, both at the front, at the back. I'm just sewing. We'll make this video really quick. You can see I'm using this needle just to give me like just to pin down the hair so it doesn't fall off. You can use your pin if you have a pin, but I just use needle because it's something I'm used to doing. I just sew like the normal from one end to the other end. We're just going quickly so that we don't waste any time. So I fast forwarded some side. Some beats are slow, some beats are fast, but you get the gist kind of thing. So literally just keep sewing, keep going. Well, I've done sewing, and what you need to do now is remove it from the mannequin head and cut off the front bit where you have the frontal, so that you don't, when you part it, you don't see dark. The essence of cutting off the black, the half, that's where the frontal is actually, is for you to actually see the frontal, like the lace to work with, because then if you leave the black um cap, it's not going to give you that natural, base. So that's why we'll cut it off. So here I'm just trying to clean it off. Be very careful when you do this part. It's really tricky, because if you're not careful you can cut off the lace, which is not what you want. So I've gone ahead to actually check it out. Excuse the face, I don't have no makeup. I've got some iron pimples at the moment, but it's all good. Working on it as we speak. I'll probably do a review to check to show you guys how far the iron pimples have disappeared from my face. But yeah, because I don't want the video to be too long, I'm going to do another video to show you how I style it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.